Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Let me know. How you doing? Put it down in the comments. Now, I've got another unboxing. There were a couple of shipping delays this month, or last month, technically, with the April bag for this. However, this month, the May bags should go out as normal. So if this is a subscription you get, don't worry. Sometimes there's delays waiting on products that were supposed to be in the bags, stuff like that. So anyway, this is the Eyescream Beauty Bag. Now, I also get their box. I will put that video up here if you want to also check that out. And y'all, this subscription is $12.50. Yeah, I know. And it's all full-size stuff. Yeah. This beauty bag, they just came out with it a couple months ago, and I was super excited to scoop it up. I'm really loving Eyescream Beauty in general, their beauty box, and now this new beauty bag. The customer service has been really, really good. Communication, products, everything I'm really happy with. And the pricing on their products is reasonable. So I am really enjoying this subscription. Now, if you get the beauty box already and you want to add on the beauty bag, go ahead and do that, because honestly, a really awesome thing about this subscription also is that if you do get both the bag and the box, you're not going to get duplicate products. Oh, and by the way, if you hear thunder in the background, we've got storms coming through. Okay, so for the $12.50 for this beauty bag, you will get 3 to 5 full-size beauty items. And it's all makeup. So I have not gotten any real like skincare or anything with this subscription. So that's another thing I really like. I know that I'm going to be getting makeup. So we do get a little card. And here is a little card for April with all the products and prices on it. Okay, so this I believe is pronounced Cherimoya or Cherimoya. It's their Max Lip Gloss. Gorgeous, like very nude, pinky color. I really, really like this. Looks really, really pretty. This retails for $6. So everyone got one of these in their April box. Next is from PX Look. And it's a package of their mini beauty blenders. Isn't that flippin' adorable? So cute. And these come in handy, especially around the eye area in small, like hard to reach places. This package retails for $12. Not bad. Next, we've got something from Nabby. And it's their Color Fix Cream Palette, which is a concealer, a foundation, and a color corrector. Kind of everything all in one. I think this is really, really cool. And this retails for $8. So that's a really, really affordable price for a color corrector, concealer, and potential foundation all in one. And then, last but not least, is this month's palette for their beauty bag. Isn't that pretty? It's the Mix and Mingle palette from Clean Color. This one retails for $14. Again, another really, really affordable brand. And these colors are flippin' gorgeous. So pretty. So pretty. So that was this month's beauty bag. I almost said box. $12.50, you guys. I know. I am super duper happy with it. What do you guys think? Is this something you've been eyeing and thinking about getting? Let me know. Put it down in the comments. Now, the retail value of this bag for the April 2021 beauty bag from Eyescream is $40. So it's not like an outrageously high value, but it's still a really good value for a $12.50 bag and all full-size items. You can't go wrong with this one. I do have a discount code down below. I will put it up here on the screen for you also. Definitely go scoop this up. It is such a great addition to your, if you get subscription boxes. Really fun. I love getting this now. So, and let me know if you get it. I'm excited. So thank you as always for coming to hang out with me during another one of my videos. Do appreciate y'all so, so much. And don't forget, smash that subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it. And make sure you click receive all notifications. That way you're not going to miss out on not just my videos and the new shorts that I've been doing, but you'll also get notifications for things that I post in my community tab, like mystery box notifications that are available, and sales, discounts, and special events different brands have. I do try to scour the internet daily and find those great offers to share with you guys. So, love y'all bunches. Thank you again. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.